Hello and welcome to R&B Models with Rick and Brandy. We're going to review today the 1969 Dodge Charger RT from MPC. It's a snap kit. It's Coca Cola themed. We're going to go through everything that is in the kit.
Alright guys, on the box it's pretty much just showing pictures of the car, the underneath, the interior, the back of the car, and the full view of the car on this side, and then here's your decal sheet, and on the bottom shows what's all in the kit here. Here's your body. It's already it's molded in red, and you can leave like this if you want, or paint it. I'd suggest painting it because it's got a lot of scuff marks and stuff like that in it. Here's your chassis. It's pretty much, simple chassis. You just can do details on it. You can't really add any suspension or anything with it. Just the axles and stuff like that. You got a set of nice wheels here, custom wheels. They're five spoke wheels. And here's a kind of factory, like Dukes of Hazzard style Charger wheel, chrome bumper, your chrome grille, license plate, shifter, and an antenna. Here's your tail lights. And here's it's tinted one-piece front and rear windows. Set of 4 nice tires, just basic, looks like Goodyears. And here's your 2 axles. So it's pretty, like I said, it's simple snap kits. Here's it's got a base interior. Here's your interior tub with the rear seat molded in, consoles molded in. Here's your 2 buckets. Here's your dash and your steering wheel. Here's your front push bar, CV. Here's your wheel hubs. Here it looks like for your headlights. And here's a roll bar. Here's your instructions. Not very much to it. Snap kit shows pretty much how everything goes together. How to put the decals on. And here's your decals. You got pretty nice decals. If you like that, if you like Coke stuff, and so if you can choose to put them on or leave them off. It's up to you.
And that is everything that's in the kit. We thank you very much for watching our review, and we hope you join us next time. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye guys.